Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can receive money on your Cash App account. So there are various methods on how you can receive money on your Cash App. I'll be showing you one of the easiest methods on how you can receive money on your Cash App. First thing, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and as you're logged into your account from the home page itself, you need to click on request, which is in the bottom left corner. Request next interface, you need to enter the recipient address. That includes entering either the name, cash tag, phone number or an email address, so that the recipient will be notified about the request of the payment. And in order to accept it, all you have to do is just do the same procedure, that is head back to your home screen, and then you need to tap on activity. As you tap on activity, you'll have a list of notification and activity. As you tap on activity, you'll have a list of notification, so you need to tap on accept. And after that, there is a confirmation, so in case if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you've successfully received money on your Cash App account. So that was one of the way on how you can accept or receive money on your Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.